Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I actually turned on my bot a few more times, and $1,000 is my goal daily to make on the bots, and I hit my goal, $1,090. Um, it could have made more, but like I said, I paused it. Right here was 300 and some dollars it would have made. Here's another 300 and some dollars. There's 600 there, and it would have actually it did make money here. And let's see, right here would have been real close, but it would have made money. It would have hit the target. And then it would have made money right on this one. Um, and then I went ahead and let it take the trade here. And I moved my stop down to right here. And actually, I'm kind of glad I did. So this one was a little bit of manual manipulation into it. But the bot's paused. I won't run it anymore today. We are at the end of the day. And I don't like to run toward the end of the day. 4 o'clock, I usually won't run after that either. But this is just playing, let's see, my first trade. What was my first trade? Let's look here. My first trade was at 302. And again, there's several trades in here that I did not let it take that it would have made money. Then 350. So we're looking at 48 minutes. Made $1,000 on 4 contracts. Pretty good money. 25% return based on what my trade was. This $4,000 trade made 25%. That's really good money. And again, I'm done. This is a live account. You can see over here. It is live account and not a valuation, not a sim, none of that. And a lot of people, other companies are showing where they are running the bots on playback, and we don't do that. I've never show bots on playback. A while back I did, but I showed that it was playback what we were doing. There's a lot of people running their bots on playback. Well, of course you can do that because you know what the trades are going to be. You can set it, let it trade, and go and show that it makes money. But I don't do that. This is live trading. The other video that I posted a few minutes ago was live, and it was showing that actually working through the trades right now. This right here would have been another winner. There's just winners all over the place. It's actually doing really well on the new settings that we have and the filters that we have using Sweet Scalper. Come join us. I'd like to see you in the group, show you how to get this turned on. The templates are already pre-made. I mean, if we go into our bots, I'll just show you real quick. And we click on here, go to Sweet Scalper, and if we go to templates, load, right here are some templates that we have. So it's actually working really well. So that's how we get the templates. As soon as you load the bots, you get those templates with it immediately. And you can start running the way I am. And you run on sim at first just to make sure you're comfortable and that you're learning to move things the way you should, because we trade levels and we talk about levels and how we're supposed to do. Right here is a balance level that we have, the TP3. As you can see, it's running right up to it. And let's see what it does. Usually when it hits this right here, it will pull back. And so what we do is we take profit. If we were in this trade, we would put our profit target along through here before the level. And now it will probably pull back. That's usually what it does. Sometimes it'll run a little bit over, but usually when it hits these levels, it will just immediately start pulling back on it. And so that's why we trade the levels. We don't trade at them. We trade just before them. And it seems to work out a lot better doing it that way. So now we're starting to pull back a little bit here. So we hit that level. Now this indicator is an indicator that we supply with the Ninja Suite. As soon as you get it all set up on there, then we go ahead and you turn it on your indicator on your chart, and it's there. And that level doesn't move all day. So if you were trading, you were a trader to this level, pull back. That right there in itself is worth the least, just having your levels. So, because before, if you didn't have this level, you wouldn't know what to do here. You'd be hoping it goes to the moon. But with these levels, we know what's going on. We know that they are going to sell off right here. So we take our profit up here instead of taking a big pullback. So that's how we trade. And if you're interested, just sign on to the website. You can, I'll show you where it is. You go to spymoneyllc.com, which is right here, and you click on the Ninja Suite. The Ninja Suite will Let you choose either the bots and indicators. About 90-95% of the people we have are on bots, and then you can also do the indicators only for a smaller price. So the bots are 1,300, the indicators are 13. With that, either one you do, you get all of the indicators, all the drawing tools and the add-ons, the trade copier. You get all of the live training, the teaching, everything. So it doesn't matter. The only thing different between those two is one has bots and one doesn't. And if you have any questions, you come up to contact us up here at the top. Fill this information out. If you need to hear my voice and tell you what we do, put your phone number in, tell me when you would like to speak to me, and then we can go from there. You can also do a VPS. A VPS is if your computer's not strong enough, or if you just want to have a PC that is in Chicago, close to the exchange, and get better executions, then sign up for this, and you'll get your VPS set up. It takes depends on when you do it. Usually within a couple hours I have it done, but give me 24 hours just in case. And get that, and then we also have funded accounts you can do. There's 4 of them that we recommend. All 4 are good. They all have their pros and cons. Just check them out, and they all have different discounts. They keep changing the discounts so much I can't keep track of it on the website. So just click on it and it will post the discount for you. But if you have any questions, let me know. Again, right here, this would have been a winner. Right here is the pullback. If it takes a long here with a green background, then it will be another winner, I'm sure. Have any questions, let me know. Be happy to help you. Look forward to working with you.